All right, you guys, we are headed up to deck 16 because we are gonna do the ultimate abyss, which you can see right back there, big purple slide that comes all the way from deck 16 down to deck 6. So it's me and Sig's turn. We going first. The troopers, first time going. We gonna do it. We doing it. All right, we are in line for ultimate abyss now. So the next footage that you see will be of us coming down at the bottom. So shout out to Siobhan for getting the footage of us coming down at the bottom. That'll be the next clip you see. Let's do it. Y'all okay? Okay. I hear him. Cheryl, your face. Oh my God. Hey, this is Tyler, and what's your name? Tucker. Tyler and Tucker are subscribed to the channel, so thank you guys so much. What you guys want to say?
Subscribe. They're great. They go on a lot of cruises.
Yes.
They're just a lot of fun to watch them.
Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you guys being subscribers.
Can't wait to see you guys grow.
Thank you. Oh my God, y'all. Ultimate Abyss is crazy. That was fun though. That was so fun. And I got some footage of me going down and Siobhan and Sig. So hopefully you guys have seen all that footage already and see how crazy we look screaming all the way down. But that was a good time. And I ran into some subscribers as soon as I got off the slide. So that was really cool. So shout out to Tyler and Tucker for being subscribers and for coming up and saying hi. I love it when you guys come up and say hi to us. Please do that every single time. I absolutely adore it. Y'all, it's a mad dash to get to the zip line right now. They literally close in 6 minutes. They're on deck 16, 17?
16. Yep, 16.
Okay. 16.
If I'm involved, there's always a mad dash.
We're on 11. We gotta get on the elevator. I mean, we gotta wait for one to come.
We got Kiki and Siobhan going out for zip lining. Here you go. There goes Siobhan. All right. She has mounted. She's being strapped in, hooked up, and she is about to fly. She is crouched down, in position to go, and she's ready. She's taking off. There she goes. There she goes.
That was way less scary the second time around. Thank God, because I almost died the first time.
So Kiki, how do you feel?
I feel great. I feel exhilarated. It wasn't rush. It was good. It was a good rush.
Good.
We're back at the solarium. We were here earlier for Sig's Live. We got probably about 45 minutes or so until our show starts. So we got some time to just chillax a little bit.
A few moments later.
Yo, we just got kicked out of the solarium, and you know what? I would say I've been kicked out of better places, but I don't know, because this place is pretty nice. So. But no, seriously, they have a private event that's going to be going on here, so we were asked to vacate, so we're going to be compliant and vacate the premises. We're going to find something else to do. Alright guys, we are headed out to the boardwalk because it is time for the water show, for the aqua show. Not only is it time for the aqua show, it's probably past time for the aqua show, but we're going anyway. We're gonna see if we can get in. Hopefully they got some seats that's not the water like splash zone, but we'll see. Girl, look at all them people over there. Oh yes, we do.
Just show them your reservation, they'll let you straight in. Okay, good. Alrighty, thank you.
So we have reservations, so we get to walk past, hello, we get to walk past this really long line that's over here. We get in this shorter line that's for the people with the reservation. Leave it to us to get here with 3 minutes to spare. over again. Once again, I'm in the splash zone because that's the only seating left. That's all right, we're here. All right, so we just left Intense, right? Intense Aqua Show.
Yes.
And it was so good. But I want to hear from Siobhan, because Siobhan saw the mini version of it back on the inaugural. So what did you think? You think it was better or worse?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah,
better?
you can tell they put in the work on it.
That's good. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah. Somebody asked us that in our live the other day to make sure that we show what the difference was between the Aqua Show now and what it was back at the inaugural. So
one thing that I did notice is on the inaugural, the slack line, the two ladies that were on the slack line, they're still the same actual two ladies. And also, they told us that there's only men. It's a man-dominated sport, so not a lot of women do it. So for women to do an all-female cast and a high diver show was amazing. So
yes,
it's a little tidbit. And there's a set of twin Olympic divers also.
Oh, all right.
They
Girl
are
power.
18 years old.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yep.
That's awesome. It was so good.
It was
they
good.
Definitely worth all the hype.
Absolutely.
So now we about to watch the Tap Factory. I guess this morning and this afternoon was like the mini food tour, and now we on the show tour because this is our second show, and then we have another one after this. So
oh, we do, don't we?
We squeezing a whole lot into 3 days, but we gonna do it. We gotta do it for y'all.
Yeah, but we gotta get some more food in there somewhere too.
We got to. I was about to bypass show number 2 for some pizza. Siobhan stopped me. So
leave it to me.
All right, so I got some Sorrentos. We got some barbecue chicken pizza, pepperoni pizza here, some spicy marinated cheese, a piece of fried polenta, and a marinated seafood mix.
I'm here at the beautiful island of Coco.